In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails into a message board in Basecamp. Right up front, here's the key idea. You can't email a message board directly. Basecamp doesn't convert incoming emails into message board posts. Instead, we'll use the project's Forwards tool to capture the email, discuss it with the team, and, if needed, move or copy it later. Start by opening your project in Basecamp in your browser. Look for the More menu and choose Change Tools or Setup Tools, depending on your version. In the list of tools, make sure Email Forwards is turned on. This is what allows the project to receive forwarded emails. If you don't see the toggle or you can't switch it, you may need project admin permissions, so check with your account owner or an admin. Now, forward the email from your usual email client. Send it to your Basecamp save address for forwards. If you're not sure what that address is, it's the one Basecamp provides for saving emails into your account. You'll find it in Basecamp's documentation or in your account settings. After you forward the message, Basecamp will reply asking which project you want to save it into. Choose the correct project from that prompt. Once you confirm, the email will appear inside that project's Forwards tool automatically. To view and discuss it with your team, go back to the project in Basecamp and open the Forwards tool. You'll see the forwarded message, including the original content and attachments when available. From here, your team can comment right on the item to coordinate, ask questions, or assign follow-ups. In many cases, you can also reply back to the original sender directly from within Basecamp, keeping the conversation connected to the project. A few helpful tips as you work. The email subject becomes the title, so using a clear subject line makes the item easier to find later. Trim long signatures before forwarding if they're not needed. If you regularly forward similar emails, consider a quick naming convention in your subject for consistency. And remember that comments in Basecamp are visible to project members, so keep sensitive information out of comments if it doesn't belong there. Final reminder: forwarded emails live in the Forwards tool, not on the message board. There isn't a way to email the message board directly. If you do want that content on the board for visibility or formatting, you can use Basecamp's Move or Copy options later from within the app. That's it. Enable Forwards, send the email to your Basecamp save address, pick the project, and collaborate from the Forwards tool.